For this tutorial, we have already created a project and added the Spanish language as an additional language. To get started, click the import icon in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Following that, click the Select File button to browse and choose your import file. Now, click the Next button to proceed. You will see a screen similar to this, showing a preview of the file contents. In this instance, we don't have a header row, so we will leave the Ignore Header Row option unchecked. By default, 5 rows are shown in the preview. You can show more by using the Preview Rows drop-down. We will select 100 rows. You now need to enter some information about the taxonomy that will be created. Firstly, enter the title of the taxonomy. Then, enter the base IRI for the taxonomy. Next, select the label option to set the IRI format for your import if you want to use label-based generation. The next step is to map all the required columns. Note that you do not need to map all the columns. In this file, the first 6 columns are all preferred labels, reflecting the hierarchy of the taxonomy. From here, select Preferred Label for this column. Note that there must be at least one preferred label column. Following that, we continue to map the Preferred Labels columns. For column 7, we have preferred labels in Spanish. We first select the mapped property. Then, we need to select the correct language. For this column, that is Spanish. Column 8 is Alternative Labels in English. Column 9 is Alternative Labels in Spanish. Column 10 is Scope Notes in English. We will map all of those. Once we have finished mapping, we then need to click the Upload button at the bottom of the screen. It will take a little time to process the upload. When it is complete, click the Finish button. Your imported taxonomy will be listed in the Taxonomies panel. We will click on that to go into the taxonomy to check it. We can see our taxonomy is successfully imported. Next, click on the Management panel icon at the top of the screen. Following that, click the Statistics tab to view detailed metrics. Looking at the numbers, we can see that they tally up with expectations. This is always a good check to perform. Next, click on the Quality tab. We can see that all checks have passed. Again, this is a good check to run after doing any kind of import. That's it for this tutorial.